Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 154. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. And for this top row now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. And the 8 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 covering both of these boxes, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. Got the 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here, so this is our 7. That 5 means this is our 4, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 6, 7, and that 6 makes this our 3, 6. And for this column now, we're only missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got the 1 here, so 6, 1. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.